25. You got it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Stop. First, I guess ready with my hair. Yeah. So we got a fan. Show it to me, like I love you. Mirror. I love you. We're getting ready for our show for Honk Junior. She's curling my hair. Yes, I am. We're gonna do a thing. So I got this custom by Mr. Pelton. And then this dress. Ooh. Okay. These tights. I'm wearing this, like baby top. This shirt. These heels. And the hat. This is our last show. Shut up! No. This is our last show, guys. Yeah.
Can I be in this vlog?
Yes.
Pass me the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is it I'm gonna be vlogging on the YouTube channel right now. Nico's in so skibbity.
No, you're not.
Bro, I thought you were actually about to eat that. Big Liddy. No. I did that on Dan. Did for the rest of the night. I'll be fine with that. Who's barking right now? Your mom. Hey guys, so today.
Like the average, like.
Hey guys. Hey! Got Miguel's girlfriend. He got the boys' locker room. Yeah, it's kind of boring looking. It's just lonely. Especially without Jad. Because Jad is worth like 10 people. And it's just boring right now. People hate on me for no reason these days. Like, oh, they're doing it for a reason. What's it like being a stagecraft person?
Very interesting and entertaining. Why are we watching?
Because it's just.
I like how Yeah.
Everybody say goodbye, vlog. Why are you so scared? Everybody say bye, vlog. Bye, vlog. Bye. Okay. Bye, vlog. Okay, bye, vlog. Bye. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye, vlog. Are you going around in circles?
Yeah, Helen. We're about to get on for Working Off. What to know? Yep. Yeah. Buddy. Alright, okay, bye. Hey guys, it's Gabriel in the house. So you can take it. Oh yeah. Gabriel in the house. Yo, what's up? Hey. Cute. You should make that the thumbnail. If you make it the thumbnail, I'll give you $5. Just go like this. Make this the thumbnail. Okay, make that the thumbnail. Anyways, how are you? Who's my assistant?
That's good, chat.
Yeah, my mic was off too. Anyways, that's the turkey. Take it away. Hey. I've been harassed this entire time.
Oh, hey Betty Bees. So right now, this is gonna be our last time doing the cat, as you can tell. And I'm going to cry. We're all gonna cry. Charlie, do a fit check.
Oh, okay. So they're very revealing, but
Oh shoot.
do a little spin jump.
Yeah. Eight.
Oh.
I'm gonna sit on the floor. sitting on the phone.
Okay, yeah.
Hey queens! So as you guys can see, I started crying after the show. I just a little baby leg. I'm crying because it was our last theater plus like dance combining, but it was so good. I had so much fun with everybody, and oh my gosh, I just started crying because I'm like, oh my gosh, like I got to know so much people that I haven't known, and it was also really fun because I learned how to curl my hair there. Like, isn't that so cool? Like I was there and I learned how to curl hair. Like, girl, that's so like girl, what? But anyways, that was the end of this Honk Junior performance. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, queens.
Hey girl, hi Belen.